Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add pagination to your WordPress posts. So basically, we are going to divide our post into several pages. So below the content of your post, you will have page numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if you have a really long WordPress post, you can divide it into different pages. So that is what we're going to do in this video. Let's get started. Here I'm in the dashboard of my WordPress website. Let's go to posts and click on add new, and let's add a title over here. So I'll just type my new post, and let's add some text over here. So I'll just go to lipsum.com and we'll just generate some text, and let's copy a couple of paragraphs from here, and I'll just paste it over here. So this is our content. Let's add some more content, like let's add an image. Right, so this is our post and we have this content over here. Let's go ahead and publish, and let's preview. So let's click on view post, and this is how our post looks right now. We have everything in one single page. Now let's go ahead and add some pagination. So we will add some of this content in the next page. So let's go back to the edit page, and we will add a page break after this paragraph. So let's go to the end of the paragraph and press enter, and you will have this new block. Let's click on plus and just search for page break, and you will get this block over here called page break. So you can just click on that. So here we can see we have this page break block added over here. Now let's go ahead and update. Right, now let's go back to our post and let's refresh the page. And here we can see this is our post, and after this paragraph we have these page numbers over here, and here we can see we are on the first page. Let's click on the second page, and we are taken to the second page over here. In this way you can add any number of pages to your post. So after this paragraph, let's add another page. So just click on plus and click on page break and then update. So now if we refresh this page, we can see we have 3 pages and we are on the second page. And in the URL also we can see that we are on my new post and the second page. And then we can go to the third page or any page we want. So here we can see it says the third page. So this can be really useful if you have a really long post and you want to divide it into several sections. So you can have dedicated pages for each of the different sections in your post. This can also be useful for adding images and some text to the images. So for example, if you have a number of images and you want to explain each of the images, you can just add the image, the explanation, and then the next page, and then on the next page you will have the image and the explanation, and in this way you can have different pages. So this can also be used kind of like an image gallery or a basic image slider. So this is how you add page breaks in your WordPress post. Now let's go back to our edit page and let's go to the dashboard. Now let's see how to do this with a plugin. So let's go over here to plugins and click on add new, and let's search for a plugin called automatically paginate posts. So here you have the plugin called automatically paginate posts, and it is by Eric Hitter. So let's go ahead and click on install now, and let's click on activate. Right, so the plugin has been activated. Let's go to the settings. And here we can see if you scroll down, you can see an option called automatically paginate posts. So here we already have posts selected, and you can also select pages if you want. And then here you can see we have this option called total number of pages, but below that we have an option called approximate words per page. So you can just select this and enter the number of words over here, and it will have approximately that number of words in a single page, and the rest of the content will be shifted to the next page. So it will do all of this based on the paragraph length. So it will not cut off your paragraph in the middle. So let's type some number over here for testing. So I'll just type 20. Now this is a really low number. We are just adding this for testing. In your real website, you may need to have a higher number of words, for example 1000 or something like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on save. And our settings have been changed. Let's go to posts. And here we have all these posts. Let's open one of these posts from here. Let's open this post right here. So let's click on view, and here you can see this post, and it is divided into 4 different pages. So we have approximately 20 words over here in each of these pages. So that's basically, you can automatically divide your post into different pages. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.